Hi everybody and welcome back to my garden. Well, today I'm going to be growing some sage. I'm going to plant some little sage seeds. They're lovely to have with your Sunday roasts with a bit of beef, well tasty. And as the season goes on I will plant more. Every 2 or 3 weeks I'll plant a pot of sage, so I've got it on the go all the time. So dead easy to do. Please watch me plant my sage and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can see you all again next time. And you can watch all my videos. So let's crack on and I'll show you how I do it. Now, it's oh so easy to plant sage, as long as you keep planting them, you know, it's quite a succession. Just take a little pot like this, pop in some seed compost, or pretty much an all-purpose compost will do. With your hands, gently break up these little lumpy bits that you get in there. They don't agree with the seeds, not really. And there's my packet of sage seeds that I'm going to be using. Gosh, aren't they small? Some seeds are much bigger than this. Anyway, I'm going to do a little light sprinkling of these seeds. Not many. I'm going to keep them in this pot and use them from there. A little bit of the seed compost over the top. Just rub it with your hands so you don't get the lumps. Tidy it up a little bit. You can give it a little shake or tap the pot, settle the soil down a little bit. And of course we're going to give it a little drink. Need something to start it off. Then I'm going to take this little pot and I'm going to put it under my grow light on a heated propagator. First, most importantly, stick a label in so you don't forget what it is. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, tune in, and I'll see you in the next video to see what I'm getting on with then. Bye for now.